This is tutorial number 58, and it covers advanced remove multi-section solids within CATIA V5. To start off, open tutorial part number 58 up, which is located on the DVD. Now again, we're going to be using the removed multi-section solid, which is the tool that we've been using in the past couple tutorials. So what I've done in this part here is I have 3 sketches that make up this multi-removed. And what we're going to do is we're going to play around and add a profile to make this kind of like an advanced multi-section remove. So right now they're all in line. So if I was to draw a straight line, that's the line that they're following right now. So the first thing what we're going to do is we're going to delete this. So right click, click delete, and uncheck delete all children and uncheck the aggregated. So now we're left with all of these sketches here. So what we're going to do is we're going to connect them all by making a sketch at the top, so like a spline, so a path that it can follow. So let's click the top face, click sketch, and let's click each of these circles, and we'll project them out, make them construction lines, and if you put it on the side you can see that they're all construction lines, and we're going to use them in the construction of our spline. So let's click spline, and from the center points let's just move these around and attach them at each center point. And again, you can grab these and just kind of move them around however you want. So this looks good. Let's go up. So now we have our 3 sketches and our spline profile that we want to use. So let's click the removed multi-section. We'll click our 3 profiles and zoom in, and it's hard to see in the red, but just make sure that they're all pointing the same direction. So right now they're all pointing to the left. Click spline and choose the spline that we just created. Click preview. Everything should be good. Click OK. And now you can see that it's whipped around and it's not going in a straight line. So if we click the multi-section, you can see a better profile of it, and it resembles the sketch that we made. Now if we double click the sketch and go into it, we're able to play around and manipulate this a bit more. So let's just do that. So I've just moved around a couple of points, given it a little bit of a different spline, and we'll go out, and it's done the same thing. So it's moved it around, and it's all accordingly to the spline that we made. So again, this is just like using what we've learned in the first 2. So from the basic, it was the 2 sketches. In the multi, it was the 3. And now from the 3, we're creating a profile that we've defined ourselves rather than where the positioning of the sketches are to move it around and to cut through. And that concludes our tutorial on the advanced removed multi-section solid within CATIA V5.